A small detail like a damaged license plate light lens can quietly cause bigger problems than you might expect. If your current lens is cloudy, cracked, or missing, it can reduce visibility, allow moisture inside, and even lead to electrical issues over time. This direct replacement license plate light lens is designed to match the original part on specified vehicle years, makes, and models, helping restore both appearance and proper illumination with confidence. Manufactured from durable, quality materials, this lens is built to provide reliable light output while sealing out dirt, dust, and moisture that can damage the bulb or wiring. Its precise design ensures it fits just like the factory-installed lens, maintaining the clean look of your vehicle without modification. Each unit is quality tested, including try-on testing, to confirm consistent fit and dependable performance. This replacement offers original equipment-level quality at a more cost-effective price, making it a smart choice for routine maintenance or repairs. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, even for those with limited experience, allowing you to quickly restore functionality without hassle. Many users appreciate how easily it installs and how well it performs right out of the box. To ensure the best results, simply confirm compatibility by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before purchasing. This extra step helps guarantee a proper fit and saves time during installation. If you want a simple, affordable way to bring back clear, dependable license plate lighting and protect your vehicle from moisture-related issues, this replacement lens is an excellent option. Check the link in the video description to learn more and purchase, and subscribe to the channel for more practical automotive product recommendations.